What's up guys, and welcome to another official Apple event day. It's pretty exciting. For the first time we're gonna see Apple Silicon based MacBook Pros. There's a possibility of AirTags being announced. Of course nothing on the iPhones, but we don't have to wait for Apple to tell us the details because we have some actual groundbreaking details on the next year's iPhone 13. The most accurate Apple leakster on the planet, Ming-Chi Kuo, is back again. Apple is cooking some new surprises that might just change your mind on the iPhone 12 series if you are actually thinking of buying, especially for those who are interested in the Pro lineup or those who are still using the iPhone 11 series. I will say it is kind of better to wait for the iPhone 13. So according to Kuo, Apple will continue and launch the same number of iPhones as this year, so starting with the mini, then the standard 6.1-inch iPhone 13, 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro, and the 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. Furthermore, he says Apple is about to bring a crazy ultra-wide angle upgrade. Apple is working on a brand new f1.8 aperture 6p ultra-wide angle lens. With that big aperture, the detail could be as good as the main camera sensor. One of the things you see with the smartphone ultra-wide angle lens is that it is generally softer compared to the main lens, so Apple could solve that by using a high quality lens. There's also another thing that you lose with ultra wide angle lens, and that is the autofocus. So on most phones it is just fixed focus system, but Apple will be adding autofocus capable ultra wide angle lens for the first time, so it's gonna be drastically better than their f2.4 5-element ultra wide angle lens that is currently on the iPhone 12 series. Now, Ming-Chi Kuo has a great track record, so very likely this could actually happen, and he didn't give us any update on the portless iPhone, which is also very likely to happen next year, as Apple plans to make the MagSafe the new standard. Other rumors regarding the camera include the ability to shoot 8K video, a special anamorphic lens for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. All in all, rumors are pointing towards a massive upgrade on the camera side of the iPhone 13 lineup. Now, we have some more news coming from respectable sources. The Elec from South Korea reports that Apple is planning to use LG OLED panels for the next year iPhone models. Most of the current iPhone 12 models are using the Samsung made displays, so Apple wants to rely on Samsung as less as they can, and they feel like LG is a better option. And if there's one brand that can give Apple the same quality of displays as Samsung, then that definitely is LG. What's special about the next year's iPhone 13 Pro displays is that they could have the 120Hz ProMotion display with the refresh rate technology, aka LTPO. So that is all in the next year, but what about today? Today is a very special day because we're gonna see for the first time Apple's own processor inside their own MacBooks and MacBook Pros. According to an early benchmark leak, the brand new A14X processor completely dominates the Intel Core i9. What gains, man? Look at the score. This Apple processor is on a roll. Because it is so powerful and because it is so much in control of Apple, the optimization will be off the charts. Again, everything will be announced in a couple of hours. In addition to 3 MacBook announcements, we might finally see the unveiling of the Apple AirTags. This is a cute Apple accessory that will help you keep track of your things without using internet or Bluetooth, all thanks to ultra wideband technology. It will work seamlessly with iPhones, or I believe products that have ultra wideband technology. It's said to come in 2 sizes. The smaller one will focus on smaller objects like wallets, and the larger version will work with objects that are bigger, such as backpacks, or if you want to keep track of your kids in a park, you can also do that. Apple has created a custom keychain and letter sleeve in order for this AirTag to attach to different surfaces without any issue. So all of this could be announced today, but I'm really excited regarding the iPhone 13 lineup. What are your thoughts on the report from Ming-Chi Kuo, a brand new ultra wide angle lens upgrade, and perhaps a 120Hz display on the cars as well? There's also going to be a design change. A lot will be coming as we see more leaks. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.